If you've chosen for our team of experts to safely install your new appliance, you've made a great choice. Just remember that there will need to be a suitable electrical socket or connection point that must be within reach of the appliance and be complete with fascia screws and cable clamp where appropriate. In order to have a successful fit, please make sure your new appliance is the same dimensions as the old one. So start by measuring the height, width and depth. Then you'll be ready. And you won't have to worry about a thing. We will ensure your new appliance is level and will run a short test to ensure everything's working correctly before leaving you to enjoy your new appliance. Just make sure you're ready to go with our handy checklist.